Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I teach you how to make money online with affiliate marketing in 2022. So in this video today, I want to share with you a very good product that has been launched on Warrior Plus that teaches you how to make legitimate money with affiliate marketing in 2022. As you can see here on the product, it says, see how a complete newbie went from zero to multiple 5,000 plus paydays in affiliate commissions month after month using PR Cash secret loophole system. This is a program that has been launched on Warrior Plus that teaches you step by step how to make legitimate money with affiliate marketing in 2022. And also here there is a bonus for you. There is a free gift. If you decide to pick this product today, you are getting a free 100% done for you affiliate marketing website that cost about $500. You're getting it free. All right. So this is a course that teaches you how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So if you're serious about making money in 2022 with affiliate marketing, then this is the course for you. All right, here is a payment proof. As you can see, he has been making money with affiliate marketing on ClickBank specifically. And here it says, our new discovery helps newbies do affiliate marketing the right way and also siphon highly targeted traffic from high traffic sites using the PR Cash experiment. So this is an affiliate marketing course that teaches you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing using what we call press release. And just before we go any further, let's go over to Google so I can show you a little proof that this system actually works. All right, so if we head back to Google and we type let's say research reviews. Okay, it is a ClickBank product called research reviews. If we scroll down here, as you can see, the first site that is ranking with that keyword research review is called globenewswire.com. So if we open this in a new tab, let's see what it gives us. All right, so as you can see, this is a Globe Newswire website. It is a news website, okay? And the affiliate that posted this article on this news website is promoting research supplements, okay? So if we scroll down here and see, let's see if we can find a link down here. Okay, let's see, let's go down and let's see if we can find any link. Okay, yeah, here it says visit the official research supplement site for huge discount. All right, let's click and see what happens. So as we click, let's see. All right, so I think it's okay. So now it's loading. As you can see, this is a ClickBank product. Okay, this is a ClickBank product, as you can see here. All right, if we scroll down again to the bottom, you can see that this is actually a ClickBank product here. Okay, so whoever this affiliate is that is promoting this product on this website is making huge commissions with affiliate marketing. All right, and this is exactly what this PR Cash loophole system is all about. Okay, it is the fastest way that you can make commissions with affiliate marketing in 2022. All right, and just like I said, we have the income proof here, and if we scroll down, you would see it says simple strategy that gets results. Okay, and as you can see here from the proof here, his website has been ranking on Google, all right, using this exact same strategy. All right, and what is this strategy, guys? It is called press release. Okay, press release is a way of getting the word out. Okay, whenever you have a new product or you have a new service that you want to offer to people, or you're doing affiliate marketing and you want to get targeted traffic. With press release, your content will be syndicated to thousands of high authority websites that will send you traffic to your website, okay? And in return, you make commissions, all right? So this course will teach you step by step in an easy to follow manner on how to make money with affiliate marketing using press release, all right? It is a tried and tested, and it takes only 4 steps. Step 1, you pick your product. Step 2, you set up your system. Step 3, you get the traffic. And then step 4, you bank commissions. Alright, and as you can see here, this is another proof of him earning commissions day in, day out with affiliate marketing. Alright, and here is just a sneak peek of what you can find when you decide to pick this product today. I'll also go through the members area to show you exactly what is inside the course so that you can decide for yourself if this is a course for you or not. All right, and if you scroll down here, you would see there's also income proof again, and there's a video here that shows exactly the PR cash loophole in action. So when you watch this video, you will see where the vendor shows you how his website has been ranking on Google, all right, in a matter of minutes using the PR cash loophole system. So this will further so after watching this video, you can decide on either to pick up this product or not. All right, so apart from that, there are some action bonuses for you if you decide to pick up this product today. The first one is the Done For You website, which is valued at $500. You have the Engage Plus software, which is valued at $2,364. You have the Swift Page WordPress plugin, valued at $2,364, and other bonuses. Okay, total bonus of what you're getting today, if you decide to pick up this product, is valued at $8,698. Okay, and all these bonuses you can resell them as you want. All right, as you can see here, it says it includes the complete reseller kits and turnkey websites. Okay, so you can resell these bonuses as you want and keep 100% of the profits. All right, so having said that, let me walk you through the members area so that you can see what this product is all about. Okay, and then decide if this is the right product for you. All right, so here is the members area. As you can see, it says welcome to PR cash loophole training course. Here in the first video is just a welcome video that walks you through the entire process and explains to you the different modules and what you should expect at the end of the course. So the first module here is just a welcome video, like I said, and then the second module here teaches you what affiliate marketing is. Okay, you learn what affiliate marketing is and why you should get into affiliate marketing in 2022. And then the next module here teaches you ClickBank overview. It shows you what ClickBank is and what to expect. Okay, what kind of products are available on ClickBank and the different niches on ClickBank. All right, and then the next module here shows you how to pick profitable products from ClickBank in any niche using the smart way. All right, we all know that before you can start making money with affiliate marketing, you need a very good product. You need to choose the right keywords. You need to validate if that product has already established audience online. So this module will teach you everything step by step you need to know on how to pick profitable products on ClickBank so that you can start banking commissions. All right, and then the next module here is about best ClickBank products. So in this module, you will learn the best ClickBank products to promote as a newbie in affiliate marketing. All right, and then in the next module, he walks you through on how to set up your domain. Why do you need domain in affiliate marketing? Because if you want to make consistent money with affiliate marketing, you have to build your business. All right, it is a business, it is not a hobby. So you have to be very serious if you want to build a sustainable affiliate marketing business. All right, so you need a website that will continuously sell affiliate products for you. All right, so he walk you through on how to get your domain, and also the next module will walk you through on how to set up your domain and how to publish your first content online so that you can start generating traffic to your website. All right, and then in the next module, he walk you through on how to install the already made website. Okay, the pre-made affiliate marketing website. Okay, so you can only have access to this when you pick up your copy today of the PR cash loophole system. All right, and then in the next module, he will show you what the 3-layer content conversion system is. This is the a conversion system that allows you to market products to your audiences without annoying your audiences. All right. So this 3-layer content for conversion system is very important if you want to be very successful with affiliate marketing. And then the next module he walked through on the step-by-step traffic module. All right. This is the traffic system that he has been using to rank his websites on Google. All right. And also generate passive income for himself with affiliate marketing. All right. So in this module, you will learn step by step the different traffic modules. All right. And also here down in the next module, he'll walk you through on the recommended traffic sources to use. All right. These are the traffic sources he personally used, and you can instantly use them today and rank your website today, even if you're a complete newbie. It doesn't matter if your site is just new, you can rank today in a matter of hours. All right. So he'll walk you through on how to do that. And also here you have the bonus traffic, which is generating traffic to your website using Quora answer marketing. Now we all know that Quora is a question and answer marketing. Quora is a question and answer site where you can get tons of traffic to your website if you know what you're doing. So in this module, he's going to walk you step by step on how to do that. And then down here you have the upgrades. These are upgrades that are very important for you if you want to double the amount of traffic you make. All right. And down here you have the bonuses. So all these bonuses I explained to you here that it's worth about $8,000. You get them here. All right. This is where you'll find them. So you can only have access to all these bonuses when you pick your copy of PR Cash Loophole today. All right. So just a recap, the PR Cash Loophole system is an affiliate marketing course recently released on Warrior Plus that teaches you how to generate $5,000 in paydays with affiliate commissions every month. All right. It is a step-by-step video training guide. It is 100% newbie friendly. All right. And you will have instant exposure to millions of audiences online. And also you have instant traffic to your website and affiliate offers. And then you'll also be featured on over 200 high authority websites. All right. Just like you can see from here when we type research reviews. Okay. You have other sites that are ranking with research reviews. You have Juni Empire. All right. You have Boulevard Reporter. You have Health Canal. Okay. These are all news websites that are ranking. Okay. You have the Daily World. All right. These are all news websites that are ranking, and affiliates who are ranking with this keyword are posting their content on these websites. All right. So these websites will now help you to rank instantly on Google, and whenever anyone types in the research review on Google, he will land on your website. Now imagine how many people are searching for research reviews every day on Google. All right, you can see we have about 317,000 results just for research review alone. So as many people are searching for this keyword, they will find your site because your site will be picked up by high authority sites like the Globe Newswire, Fox News, AP News, CBS, and others. Okay, so these websites combined will help you to rank instantly on Google and generate passive income for you with affiliate marketing. All right. So if you're ready to start your affiliate marketing journey in 2022, if you're ready to start seeing commissions like these every single day in commissions, then I highly recommend that you pick up a copy of your PR Cash Loophole system today. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below this video, get your copy of PR Cash Loophole system today, and start generating massive income with affiliate marketing in 2022.